So good afternoon to all of you. I think I'll just a minute. This has to be changed to background. Good afternoon to all of you and welcome to this online live session of the MOOCs NPTEL course on membrane technology. I am sure you are attending the lectures regularly and submitting the assignments. So you can pose your queries in the link that is provided, as well as also put it in our YouTube site that also I am accessing right now. So we can I can use both modes. So one Excel sheet was also given to you, circulated long back. If you have anything, you please enter there. Then I'll try to answer. So the entire idea of this course, so let me brief you a little about that, is to learn the basics and fundamentals of the membrane separation technology. So if you have noticed, the course is structured in such a way that we have started discussing the basic fundamentals of the separation science and technology, then define what is a membrane. Okay, so once that part is done, so we have started discussing the membrane materials. So, and we have dedicated few lectures on the membrane materials. So the materials from where membrane can be prepared, fabricated. So that includes polymeric materials, ceramic materials, all such things. Now, once that part is done, so basically we have learned about the properties of these materials. So their physicochemical properties, what type of membranes we can fabricate from that, whether we are looking for a UF membrane, an MF membrane, or NF or RO, so which type of polymeric material or which type of ceramic material I'll choose, that will give us an exposure about that particular aspects. Right. So once the membrane is prepared, then the next phase is that how do you characterize the membrane? That's very important part. So which essentially involved a lot many characterization techniques. Correct. So some of these characterization techniques, of course, we have discussed or we are discussing right now. So which includes here basic characteristics like the flux studies. Okay, so how do you calculate flux? So we have discussed about the calculation of the water flux. We have a simple setup. Okay, you hold membrane over that, put water over that, pressurize it, collect the filtrate, and then find out what is the membrane flux. Okay, this is the basic characterization technique that will give us about membrane radius and all, pore radius R. Okay. Then we will have different types of sophisticated technologies like AFM, then SEM and TEM, the electron microscopy technology. Okay, atomic force microscopy, scanning electron microscopy, field emission scanning electron microscopy, transmission electron microscopy. All these things are there. That will tell us about the surface properties, how the membrane looks like, what are its pore structures. Okay, pore volume also we can calculate the thickness of the membrane and all such things. So the next is going for the calculation of the pore volume, pore radius using porosimetry techniques. So here you can use water displacement porosity method. We can go for our water is filled, then you push a gas from the bottom, so then you remove the water. So like that, how much amount of gas is required to remove that water. So all these things are there. Then we have mercury porosimetry, which is one of the most suitable and appropriate and most efficient technology if you have the mercury porosimeter, which is a costly instrument Okay, and it gives us accurate reading of the pore volume also, which is sometimes desired. So please remember that whatever characterization techniques we are learning in membrane is also good for other materials like catalysts and adsorbents when you prepare them in lab for some other purposes. Okay, so once you do that, then what we are going to discuss is that what are the different transport mechanism that is uh, um, uh, holds good for our membrane separation method. So like we have touched non-equilibrium thermodynamics, including the concepts of the chemical potential. So that's how we will be learning. Once that's over, then we go for different types of membrane systems. We start with microfiltration, go for ultrafiltration, nanofiltration, reverse osmosis. Then we go for different types of other applications. Okay, then we have diafiltration. Then we are discussing about other hybrid technology. We are discussing about PRO, pressure retorted osmosis. There's a lot many things are there, and we will also discuss about what is the application of this membrane technology in different our this was industrial applications. And one of the most important technology application of the membrane technology right now, which is in bulk, is treatment of the industrial as well as municipal wastewater. So where you can use different types of polymeric membranes, we can use ceramic membranes also to do that. And we have membrane bioreactors. I forgot to tell about that, membrane bioreactors. Okay. And then we have also, we'll be learning about membrane desalination. Then we'll be also discussing about, sorry, membrane distillation, MD, membrane distillation. Then we'll be discussing another very important membrane technology is called pervaporation, permeate vaporization. We call it, that's why it's called PV, permeate. This is especially good for the organic molecule separation. Okay, so some of these applications, then we can have hybrid systems where you combine membrane separation along with, let us say, any other unit operations like distillation, absorption, adsorption, evaporation, any such things, so that the overall separation what you wanted to achieve will be achieved. That's what's the goal of an our membrane, sorry, hybrid separation technologies. So then we'll be discussing finally with the passive and active transports and all such things that is there in the lecture also, and some case studies. Okay, so that's all about our course, and I hope you are attending the lectures regularly and also taking interest in that. And please I'm requesting all of you to submit your what is that is called assignments in the due time. Sometimes it may happen that one or two small one or two questions answer you may think it is wrong. If you feel so, it may not be. If you feel so that your answer is correct and our answer is wrong, do write to me. We will correct it. Okay. If it is true, okay, what you are pointing out, it might not be necessarily that what you are telling is correct, but it may be also. So to remove the ambiguity, do write to me in kmohanty@iitg.ac.in, and we'll look into that and rectify and then rerun the assignment sheet so that you get the marks. Okay, so that's all about I wanted to say. So if you have now queries, I'll start taking up this. You can raise hands here if you are present in this team, or if you can also write your questions in the YouTube chat session. Okay, I'll stop here. Wait for your queries. One query I see from somebody from KP Senthil Kumar. He is writing about notes and PPT. Whatever notes and PPTs are available, I am giving. If something is not there and not shareable, I cannot share it with. So you have to watch video, take snapshots and do that. But most of the lecture notes we are already uploaded. Okay, or will be uploaded soon. So I don't see anybody asking any questions. I don't see there are students here in the uh, this our team. I see few people watching maybe in YouTube. That's fine. So one of the most important thing I would like to cover is that what you people usually asks is about the exam. Okay, so please note that exam is mainly it's a 3-hour exam, completely online exam. So you have to appear in one of the center, as those will be notified to you by the NPTEL head office at IIT Madras. They will tell you once you register for the course and pay the requisite fees. The second thing about the exam is the pattern. So mostly it's a MCQ based questions. So 90% of the questions are MCQ based. There will be 4 answers and only one correct answer you have to choose. Some yes may be there, somewhere maybe 1 or 2, 3 questions will be there where you have to fill in the blanks type of thing. And in membrane technology, we have some numerical questions. Okay, so that numerical questions you have to give the value after solving. Mostly you don't need any calculator for all these things. We have framed the questions in such a simple way. It's just to calculate flux and all such things, small things. Okay, which will be that will be around 10% of the questions. Rest 90% is all MCQ questions, as and directed by the NPTEL. We have taken care that some portion of the question paper comes from the assignments. Okay, and then please remember that the question paper, whatever the questions we have, total numbers, that covers the entire syllabus. Uh, Maybe from one chapter, one particular lecture, there may be little 1 or 2 additional questions. Okay, but it's almost care is taken that the entire syllabus is covered. So for your exam, you have to read the entire syllabus. It is not that you skip something, then it will be not good for the exam purposes. So please read the entire syllabus, and if you have any issue, please let me know. I'm always there. I'll answer your queries, okay, through email. To try to reach me. So as you know, you are aware of my email ID. All lectures I have given my email ID, so please write to me if you have any queries regarding the lecture notes or assignment questions or exam pattern, whatever it is. The exam pattern, I told you, it's all MCQ, and that few numericals are there where you have to put the values. Okay, so and it's covering the entire syllabus of the thing. Fine. So that's all about the what is that is called our syllabus of the membrane and the pattern. So I'll wait for some more time to see if somebody is appearing and to ask some queries.
Sir, sir, hello. Can you hear me, sir? Hello.
Yes.
Yeah. Sir, right now I am logging this course before 8 days, and
Hmm.
recently I am associate along with you. And today I completed assignment number 4, but
Okay.
assignment number 1, 2, 3 is skipped by me due to the late joining. So, what is the net course of action to complete the assignment 1, 2, 3? Please guide to me.
This is not very clear to me because you have late joined. If you are officially permitted by NPTEL, please write to them.
Yeah,
They will do. Okay, because I do not think it is individually case to case basis they will do it. Because then there will be no meaning of any deadline. No? So that is also there.
right.
You please write a mail to the NPTEL office and keep me in CC. Let us see what they are responding. Okay.
Okay, no problem. Yes, sir. We are waiting for which, sir? We are waiting for. Sir, can this training program continue or we are waiting for the feedback of the?
No, I'm just waiting if anybody is still attending. Huh?
Okay.
This is a interaction session, so students
Yeah.
must log in, and if they have some query they can ask. I am not giving any lecture here, na? Right?
Okay. Okay.
So
Okay.
I'm just waiting. If you have nothing to ask, you may leave. That's fine, no problem. Yes.
Okay. 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 No problem, sir.
So I don't see any more students joining us. It's almost going to be 30 minutes. So we'll close this here with a note that if any student is having any issue, whether it is related to the course content, understanding the fundamentals, queries regarding the assignments, or any exam pattern, do write to me at kmohanty@iitg.ac.in, and I assure you that I'll definitely answer. So thank you very much to those who have
Thank
joined.
you.
Okay,
Thank you, sir. Thank you.
we'll
Yeah.
close the session now. Thank you.
Yeah. Yeah. Thank you.